Welcome to this week's episode of Your Stock Request for the 19th of January. Hi, I'm Michael Gable, Managing Director at Fairmont Equities. Your Stock Request is the weekly video where I take your requests and analyse the share price charts. So this week we have Liontown Resources, Whitehaven Coal, Goodman Group, Polynovo and Deep Yellow. So if you have a request, please send it through. Make sure you've signed up to the free newsletter, but our better ideas come out every Tuesday in the Dynamic Investor Report, so make sure you are subscribing to that report. But if you do enjoy these videos, we'd love you to share them on social media or even leave us a review. Our main business is in portfolio management, so if you'd rather have a trading account with me and have me guide you with the buying and the selling, then please let me know. And all the advice here is general only. So I've got the daily chart here of Liontown. As we can see, very sharp pullback across December, so basically retested the old high, came back sharply, became oversold, so we got a bit of a bounce there, but I think it's probably a bit too early to be buying this one. I think after such a sharp move down, you're more likely to get maybe a higher low. So I think if you can, at best give us come back here, give us a higher low, that would be the better buy point. But of course you can't rule out that even that gets broken. So I'd just wait and see for the time being. Okay, Whitehaven, so obviously nice run up until about October last year. So most recently we had this pullback, rally back up to retest the old high, and it has again come back sharply instead of just hanging in there. So look, shorter term it looks like it might want to head higher again. I mean, ideally we'd like to see it make a higher low, head back up, and I think even if that was the case, you'd see another consolidation here. So I think it just overall needs more time to give us a better formation here before there's a buy point. Obviously if it breaks under $8, that won't be a good sign. Goodman Group, so nice sort of constructive price action here, eased back in December, of course, sort of leveled out. Then we've had this very nice move here on sort of good volume coming into the stock, so it's rallied to retest this high, and now we just need to see what it does from here. I think if we can get a consolidation for several days sideways here without pulling back too much, that would set you up for the next buying opportunity. So I'll be looking for a cup and handle formation, ideally. Otherwise, if it does come back here, preferably it'd be nice to stay above this low. Otherwise, if that breaks, you'd be targeting that low. Polynovo, so fairly good looking chart at the moment. Obviously a bit ugly over here, but this is where it started to be quite interesting. So you had this sort of nice example of the stock that rallied back up to the old high, and then instead of falling back sharply down here like some of the other stocks we've just looked at, it sort of consolidated. So you've had this sort of flag under that old high, and it was just a matter of breaking out here to give you the buy signal. So it's run fairly strongly, good volume, and now I just think it's going to consolidate. So I don't think it's a buy or a sell just yet. We just need to see what it wants to do from here. Sideways move sets you up for another buy. If we do get a pullback, you'd prefer to see it hold above that breakout near 220. Okay, Deep Yellow, so we've got obviously strong move followed by a strong pullback, then it's sort of leveled out, and here you could see it sort of flattening out, and then a gap up on volume would have been your buy signal, and pretty good volume actually on the recently on the way up. So to me it looks like it's put a low in place. I don't want to see it back near 70 cents, but it's got this higher high. It looks like you'd just be waiting for whatever consolidation is underway now to finish to get your next buy signal. Okay, that's all for this week. If you have a request, send it through and we'll try to cover it next Thursday for you.